Welcome to the Crypto Talk, everyone. Let's talk crypto, bringing you news, perspectives, and updates in the cryptocurrency space. We have Tesla, Eminem, JP Morgan, and so much more. My name is Khalil. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night, and let's get to it. Markets are looking great today, guys. We're up 2.7% at a total market cap of 2.3 trillion. And yeah, Bitcoin's almost up here at 58,000. Ethereum breaking all-time highs today. Cardano rebounding. Dogecoin rebounding. Everything's looking great in crypto land. Starting with Tesla announcing its Q1 earnings, and they sold off their Bitcoin. Now, it was only 10%, but there's a lot of hate going around for Elon because of this. Bitcoiners know about inflation, so selling Bitcoin, which is probably the best hedge we have against that right now, doesn't really make any sense. But from one of the richest men in the world, who I call smart money, wouldn't do this for any reason, so something to check out here in this article. Tesla sold some of its Bitcoin stash in the first quarter for $272 million in proceeds. The sale trimmed Tesla's position by 10% on an earnings call they had on Monday. Kirkhorn, who is Tesla's CFO, said on that call that Tesla invested in Bitcoin to earn yield on its excess cash in a low interest rate environment. While the company continues to deal with the global supply chain crunches like semiconductor shortages or ship port capacity, he said the Bitcoin market is a liquid market with an optimistic future. There aren't many traditional opportunities to do this, or at least that we found, particularly with yields being so low and without taking an additional risk or sacrificing liquidity. Tesla will continue to accumulate Bitcoin through customer transactions and will make Bitcoin-related announcements in the future. So Tesla selling Bitcoin is good and bad in terms of how you think of it. Anyone selling Bitcoin now has paper hands, not diamond hands, and that's what you'll hear. Also, you should not be selling your Bitcoin because it's meant to act as a digital gold, most people believe, somewhere to place your money to hedge against inflation, because the government printing more stimulus and bailouts decreases the purchasing power of your dollar. Now here's the thing, Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin at the price of about $48,000 the beginning of this year, but they only sold 10% of the value, and Tesla is a company that will accept Bitcoin as a form of payment for their vehicles. I brought that up in a previous video about a week or two ago. Even though they sold Bitcoin, long term they are being paid in Bitcoin for whoever is selling it right now. On the Tesla earnings call Monday, Elon said he did this as an experiment proving Bitcoin is highly liquid, where you can sell off over 100 million in a few days without impacting price that much. He did this to prove to others who have millions and billions of dollars that Bitcoin is a way they can move their money around very easily, just like in the stock market. So I love this man. He is definitely opening up the space for cryptocurrency, and I can't wait to see how he kind of shapes the future there. Which brings me to my next update. Eminem partners with Gemini's Nifty Gateway to launch his first NFT. So Eminem, in partnership with Nifty Gateway, has unveiled his first NFT at ShadyCon. The world-famous artist Born Marshall Mathers is the latest in a line of celebrities, musicians, and athletes getting in on the NFT craze. Eminem partnered with Nifty Gateway, the NFT platform owned by Gemini, to release the first NFT on Sunday, April 25th, a couple days ago. It may have been the recent Saturday Night Live SNL skit on NFTs that piqued the rapper's interest. In the skit, a rapper played by SNL cast member Pete Davidson explained what NFTs are to the tune of Eminem's Without Me. There are 3 types of NFTs up for sale, each of them high-quality animations with an original beat produced by Eminem himself. There are 50 editions of each of the first 2 NFTs, which are titled Tools of the Trade and Still DGAF. They cost $5,000. Those quick enough to buy them will also receive a physical print numbered by hand and autographed by the rapper. The third, Stan's Revenge, is an edition of 1 and will sell to the highest bidder. It is unclear who animated the NFTs. The news comes as several musicians' acts are joining in on the NFT craze, including Snoop Dogg, Weezer, A$AP Rocky, Boy George, Alphix Twins, Grimes, The White Stripes, and Kings of Leon. So I love this because it means more exposure to cryptocurrency in general and NFTs. This space has just been growing so rapidly, and it might not slow down for a while as we transform into this new digital age. But go ahead and share some of your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this. Next up, we do have some JP Morgan letting their clients invest in a Bitcoin fund for the first time. So JP Morgan is preparing to offer an actively managed Bitcoin fund to certain clients, becoming the latest, largest, and if its CEO's well-documented distaste for Bitcoin is any indication, unlikeliest U.S. megabank to embrace crypto as an asset class. The JP Morgan Bitcoin Fund could roll out as soon as this summer. JP Morgan's Bitcoin Fund will be actively managed. That's a notable break from the passive fare offered by crypto industry stalwarts like Pantera, Capital, and the Galaxy Digital, which let well-heeled clients buy and hold Bitcoin through funds without ever touching it themselves. The JP Morgan Fund will be for private wealth clients. CEO Jamie Dimon called Bitcoin a dangerous fraud in 2017, threatening to fire in a second any trader who touched the stuff. He quickly walked back the fraud label and has more recently toned down his rhetoric. Dimon also has repeatedly argued that the government regulation of cryptocurrencies is inevitable. But despite its CEO's personal disdain for the crypto, top deputies within the corporate and investing banking division acknowledged in February this year that client demand might force the institution to change. Alright, so smells like some breadcrumbs of smart money, and I don't know about you guys, but I like following the smart money. For all the sports fans out here, we have Trevor Lawrence signing endorsement deals with Blockfolio that's going to pay him in cryptocurrency. So days away from being the first pick in this year's NFL draft, Trevor Lawrence has already made his first big move into investing, signing a first-of-its-kind multi-year deal with the global cryptocurrency investment app Blockfolio. The deal with Lawrence is the first endorsement deal in which a significant amount of the signing bonus is going to be paid in cryptocurrency, which will be deposited directly into the quarterback's Blockfolio account. The bonus will consist of a variety of crypto coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. The company did not disclose the exact number. Trevor saying, "I'm really excited to be joining the Blockfolio team. When it comes to my crypto portfolio, I wanted a long-term partner in the space that I could trust." I won't go too much into this article, guys, but this should paint more bullish news for you as crypto enters the sports space, which has access to hundreds of millions of fans in the world. And with that being said, we have news of Coinbase offering Bitcoin buying options with PayPal. So Coinbase US customers can now buy crypto on the exchange via debit cards and bank accounts linked to PayPal. Coinbase, which just went public through a direct listing on April 14th, is known for its mobile trading app, which makes it comparatively easy to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Now, with this latest integration, the US customers with an existing PayPal account can start making transactions immediately. What's more is there's no requirement for those customers to provide Coinbase with bank account information. You can continue using PayPal to securely manage your information. Once a user chooses the relevant cryptocurrency they want to purchase, they would need to tap on the add payment option within the Coinbase app and select PayPal. After the user logs into PayPal, they can add a debit card or bank account linked to their PayPal account. At that point, the user will be able to make a purchase of up to $25,000 every day using their PayPal account. In the coming months, Coinbase expects to expand this service out to their regions in the world. This could include Canada, the EU, and the UK. As if it wasn't easy enough to already buy cryptocurrency, now we have an easier way through PayPal. And that's the narrative here you're going to start seeing as bigger institutions, bigger banks, bigger government facilities will invest in cryptocurrency, is it will become more user-friendly for those down the road. And more groundbreaking information in cryptocurrency, we have the MetaMask wallet passing 5 million active users. So MetaMask is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency wallet. It's a browser extension and a mobile app that allows people to interact with decentralized applications called dApp on the Ethereum blockchain via a wallet where they can store the keys to their tokens. Those dApps run the gamut from CryptoKitties and other NFT marketplaces, from digital collectibles to decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, where users can swap cryptocurrencies directly with their peers. Just last October, the project announced it had reached 1 million monthly active users. That coincided with growth in Ethereum-based decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, and platforms built atop the blockchain that remove banks and brokers in a favor of algorithms. DeFi protocols such as Compound and MakerDAO become go-to spots for people looking to lend, borrow, and earn interest off their cryptocurrency holdings. The 500% growth MetaMask experienced in the last 6 months has driven not just by DeFi, the project states, but also by NFTs. Short for non-fungible tokens, NFTs are unique digital tokens that serve as contracts of ownership. They are commonly attached to digital art, virtual collectibles, and even MP3s. On-chain data clearly indicates that NFTs are being widely embraced by users across the Ethereum ecosystem. In fact, accessing NFTs is now the second most popular use case for MetaMask, only behind swaps. MetaMask also cites increased adoption in developing countries such as India, Indonesia, Nigeria, and Vietnam. Increasingly, those people use MetaMask to earn a supplemental income or to make long-term investments. Many of those people are unable to access their local banking system and thus need alternative technology to act as a savings account. If MetaMask can continue to reaching new markets, it might get its next 5 million users even faster. And with that being said, guys, I'd like to show you the trends here in cryptocurrency. This is actually the past 5 years. You can see back in 2017, the amount of people Googling cryptocurrency had reached a point of 75. Well, we recently passed that just this month, all-time highs of people Googling cryptocurrency in the world. We've made a little pullback here, but I can see in due time, very shortly, we're going to be seeing those levels plus more. So if you're new to this space and have been shaken away from false narratives and doubters, then I encourage you to please stay. This bull run has many more legs on it, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on one of the greatest financial opportunities you may ever have. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions and my thoughts. But if this information on cryptocurrency was valuable to you, then please smash that like button, click subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else. Until next time, safe investing.